If you yeah, Amuzupi question of the day be wake are the most difficult ones now. Yeah. We are the most difficult ones now. Because Rich Obia will have excellent debate. The entire also choose one. Obia. For instance, Lawrence Ofei keep 16 clean sheets. Or the Heart of Lions out of nowhere. Ebedi second our Premier League in him.
Nhyira fan.
Rich uye no fiwa. Ono as goalkeeper no. Our individual games are. Ye bowie ya. Even opposition for and I say opponents. I say massa. This guy or you brutal. Okay, do koye wo takwa against media. Look at his games against House of Oak. The games against Kotoko. Super fantastic performance from Lawrence Ofei last season. And unim the amount energy abranti no hopa. Rich. So unim Bashir Hayford. Bashir Hayford enya sa coach sinibia. About defensive game pampe. Bash a attacking philosopher. Ni team no person bo ba efe. E piamo. E some goals. And this how you goalkeeper my team bisana. I thought they be a comparatively you are more exposed. But Rich Heart of Lions air dominate you with the ball. But Uti free so kosho mo because of Lawrence Ofei na aye den so the ball number 2 Martinum. Enti and instead America can occupy 16 clean sheets throughout the season. Now Benjamin Asare as a folk. Time a house to turn the few Olympics, you know. Many House of Folk supporters were satisfied simply because of numbers of the few Olympics. Even Olympics are not relegation. Numbers of the few over. Rich. In the last 2 years, there is no goalkeeper on the local scene. What rising at the Benjamin Asare. Last season, he kept 17 clean sheets. And the performance for us, a certain advantage in this debate. Blasters number 1. Meaning say a league once a year. But Rich, he represented the league very well at the national team level too. He was a goalkeeper for the local Blasters, Black Galaxies, and he was a goalkeeper not just for the local Blasters, but for the Blasters proper. Again, has troubles on film last season, you know. Rich, the reason why has it's me and kakra into the top 4. Benjamin Asare is number 1. So open the reason why has it's me in the top 4. Benjamin Asare is your go-to number 1. 17 clean sheets. And I'll keep it for team and House of Folk. And individually, the last month I did league, only to go keep of the month in Po. Super performance from him. Now, for Emmanuel Kobidie, I think Omo baby any and Omo follow Ghana Premier League, Abetia see dientia. Na coach performance was a kianiki. Ono no you go keep on go fan mreno. No na ye dimo obofakwa. But Omo bi baby any no. Players are okase obeso odi omudi nachi every baby any ba. They no di kind was a goalkeeper. And Rich Obekaya time bofakwa relegation. Clubs are lining up for Emmanuel Kobi na nye clubs ketwa. But because he was more familiar with the coach. Also, me person me ko baby a. When I could take charge of the team, no, and Jimmy D. No, I'm not your mother. Rich, I'm not going to match. 18 clean sheets. 18 for Emmanuel Kobe. Ewo baby and Gold Stars. And he won the league with them. On new G League, you know. And so let's have debate here, Rich. It is very, very difficult to choose. Obia Otie Biano. Baby over to now about Fabiano. Nobody should begrudge the person. But Rich, the only thing when debates are close like that, and they make it different. You know. Yeah. And I think that for me, the national team makes the difference for Benjamin Asare for me. Sir. Yes. Whether a undue advantage and I say a undue advantage. Or call on some common homodia and Kayankan. Number one. Yes, and see, Emma Benjamin Asare on the local scene, I am a best goalkeeper because of Sadi and Inti. Just because tight. The rest of the debate is tight. Kobe or say Asare, very, very tight. But for me, the game changer for Asare, the exploits Onyanya with the Premier League, you know, a pushing the national team and what he was able to do with it, you know. And Rich, I will go for Benjamin Asare. In my rank, Benjamin Asare, Emmanuel Kobe, then Lawrence Osai. But Omumi and Sanyina, it deserves a big call when it comes to debate.
Kofi minimum say be our baby ma. Maybe I'll choose baby any Gold Stars goalkeeper. I think say Kobe. And a simple reason. I say a league, you know, and common DDR. He won the league.
And he won the most clean sheets.
What I say? In the context of the Ghana Premier League, you know, he won it. And the aside who keep it clean sheet near the end, no. Yeah, I can't say, you could see saying, who keep it a clean sheet, wow, a team in the ano. The end of team, so at the end of the day, TV. Yes. Goalkeeper the man has Benjamin Asare. Performance will put in our Black Stars. No? Look, so we catch us at Randy deserve goalkeeper of the season. Like I said, Ayala said, many shows will be because I am from so. Because from the local league, Obakona is a Black Stars, we are number one. Near games, 2 matches a boy now that go position, including a friendly games a couple in now around 10 die. So, maybe there in the context of the league, me the Bema, a baby and Gold Stars. I'm a goalkeeper fence Emmanuel Kobe. Medium baby I'd be fan of him. Yeah, contract on Sensemini and run at 20 so dear.
Me goalkeeper on college now.
Who goalkeeper now can transfer over.
We're free club Abakotoko.
Friends,
not only goalkeepers Abakotoko, that's it.
Bichimnino. I see.
That's my best goalkeeper in the Ghana League. And made a pure performance that I've seen him put up. And since the time Obi draw me attention to follow him, I think he's the best goalkeeper in the Ghana Premier League. Yeah. I think he's the best goalkeeper of Ghana League.
Super.
And
15, yes, honestly, I think 15 clean sheets.
I think that Mu make good arguments, and at the end of the day, like Ayala says, close. It comes down to what have you achieved with performance now. But again, I can agree with you. But for me, I'll give it to Aziz Aruna. And I'll give him 1 year. 1 year. Especially now, being a spotlight. See, I can sleep and wake up and tell you that he will usurp Kamara or Kotoko go post in next season. Oh, Rich. Season here, Mbon do 5 matches. Aziz Aruna. Obey Aziz Aruna, number 1 goalkeeper. Yes. And say, Jane, if there is any other local goalkeeper, if it's to Benjamin Asare or Ghana Black Stars go post him.
Should be that guy.
Okay. He will be the guy.
Yeah, Kotoko say me the main for him by of a news. Kotoko yeah being almost assign almost 10th player this season. Almost assign player toso bako edu. Enti and so some no. And run 20. What for zombie na ekoso pram no. Ghana, ye blacks ASL light, you know, almost share Benin, a cabacua. Omo entimi, anti those in your record, but need the name, no. yenya edi ne hia pa o game ni ma etimi approach dia ya qualify ekobo the semis o table na Nigeria edi kan with 4 Ghana toss me 4 and Benin for no omo nya point bia enso awo now your route na ye nam no ye chen winner of a group B which most likely say be defending champions Ivory Coast likely ebia omo and ebisi omo awo semis na before mbebe after the game coach Desmond Ofei at the kakra then some kakra the two dana yemeka ene ni na mum na enti adwen fanfa ho.
Hard fought victory. Fair, we needed this. We needed this because we had to show some character. We have to show some grit. And for me, this is what was missing in the last game. And the boys showed it today. And luckily, we came away with a very good goal. And that led to the 3 points. So we are very happy. And we can look ahead. We told them in the halftime that it's not so much about how good we are on the day, but we had to do everything to try and get the 3 points. And they showed character today. They worked really hard. Like I said, this is something that the team needed. So we are really happy that in such occasions, the team and the players can rise to the occasion. And in the end, it was a good goal, good quality goal. And we are very happy. We also have to give it up to Benin because they didn't give us an easy game. And we tried everything to manage it, and we did it really well. So for our boys, it's really good for them, good experience, and they can only get better. We can only get better for the next round. So we are very happy.
Okay, and the coach Desmond Ofei, and now I'll say Obon Ranten Abaso. Reason here say na a hard fought win. And you know more than papa. Benin for my match. Now I'll say and Ranten omo say they no more omo person fa a win omo che character. And the man Ghana so no after said that down by a man no in the name it me enya 1-0 a win over 80 man. Ye from say Benin to say what for zombie na e course no mema na 20 de no Ghana make say ye course semi final say be catch him ye train winner awo a zone group B ho na yetimi eno na ba likely e betimi aye Ivory Coast aya
which my person meka asembion. I think that probably today at the right time. Now me holding on to a certain conviction. Enra, like a CP mame. And I don't know how many people will disagree with me and how many people will agree. Rich, say, ye football no, and no man no. Yampe na ya nyin. We will continue to make the wrong decisions because enona a suity CCA the way your system is here. But they will continue to be wrong decisions. Only the American ones. I have never supported the announcement of Desmond Ofei. Ye free under 20. Now acquire permanent. Black Stars. A wrong decision. Why are we pushing all our best people to the Black Stars? That is not the way to develop your football. In fact, your best must be at the grassroots. Where we develop.
Yeah.
We need to get Desmond Ofei and Sassuo under 17, under 15. Eko. And why ye nebi? Ye nya Ofei ne baako na ye de na ko hyem Fiifi ho baby. Because under 20 they obey under 17 and obey under 23. It's at least year in terms of your development, you know, all boy na the system no, and anytime I started from the system no. One way you blame the FA, but a system in India. Apart from blasters, your national team coaches, you know, Yentio Moka. And it's a when you obese said Desmond Ofei. Now, one in term arm for now, go blasters. I'm sure the onim, any the odemano, rich, not untimin Tian Hoka. But when you pushing to do Blasters, well, now empanyinfo jitum say okay, there is a Blaster technical team there. Wasumu Joe, so he is going to be paid. But Rich, that is not the best way to run our football. Minimum what did they make an answer? And the only announcement that no pass said Dabena, you be doing common some way. But I think that today is the best day. I disagree totally. Say about tournament where we are, Desmond Ofei is no more at the under 20 because Okoye permanent Blasters assistant. Argentina system no, e push all your best things to the Blasters. Now,
I then pay way to pay more for bonus so that they can stay.
So that is the problem. Empanyinfo no mo hwe sports no so no. Omo mo hwe football no so no. Even for omo mo hwe football no so no kwade. It is not in their hands because they've made their course so your national team say kan munti omo ko abani si eniska.
TNTV
and national teams belong to the nation.
Convince GMPC for instance.
So went
football na ebo no. E form on kra ni here.
Here.
Enti yo good coaches are yem first can go round.
Yes.
Yeah, because Blacks are entity player.
That be.
On a what been that ni abefa. No kwakobo.
What you say? Enti enra. Any your first game my boy against Nigeria.
Nhyira.
Then you go back to even Desmond Ofei Ekobo under 20 AFCON. Then you go further back to the All African Games. Rich, I know Rebecca said this guy is a good coach. From the way of setting up the team, from the way the team elbow ball, build up, patterns, from the confidence of the players, even to the selection of the players, any in-game management. The moment you watch a team coached by Desmond Ofei, you will tell yourself that this is a well-coached team. We need that for under 15. We need that for under 17. We need that for under 20, under 23. Straight to the Blasters. But, you konya abakui. Yenibi, you koshishe mu abaku be PM. Oye jumani kakre bi. The system is mianama. See, I yen tema for now called Blasters. Obetimi aja ketuya. I'm sure we will lose him. Haven't you lost Nora Haptel? And apart from Blasters, yentimi anything good with the under national teams nana. Look, some of them are mystery. Edrumre bi ohun. They now have to let peno. Rich na ke betimi na ko Blasters go and get the record. As one of the assistants. Say at least because I wanted here. Unya the ko contingent no one. You get my point.
But sad and so bad.
Very
as ya kan was ma about obi afa ho.
I was here kind of
ministers abako. I was here anya na juso be bia.
Say Saturday we need to reintroduce this. Meaning say a topic but and I have not heard anybody discuss it.
Ebia the current minister
yes, and Desmond Ofei leader to that case study. Desmond Ofei only there into that case study now. The reason why the system is pushing him also to the Blasters. You see Desmond Ofei why they be in charge of your under 20 now? Who?
No be a no. Come on. Maybe I mean
Jamaica.
Then must survive.
Then we are. You see, there is a lot of I don't want to use the word corruption. There's a lot of
coaches need to do music
allegations. Any because and the system is so. You get it? Yeah? At a point in time, Saka Baby Go Stars LOC Premier League now. Rich someone himself I could say to and come on the national team coach performance acquire scouting.
I don't at the point no more case. I know the man who came, I'm so many Carlos.
Yes, from near there. Now, unim argument and no both from Pomans. In your chow, you eat from us. They're national at 17. They don't give you anything. They don't pay you. And between the importance of Otsana, ya be league region, what the agent. And it's also who die work on national team. I was starting for under 17. And when they're in here, they're in a Janisi table. So I reach and Kenya 70 and must a club beat national team coach with this argument. And you see what baby are. Even Nkofo muted the idea say even your national team coaches shouldn't be doubling as club coaches.
Yeah.
Whether a potential conflict of interest, whether a divided attention, I am for the best and but it will continue to be so because apart from the Blasters, the others Argentina, Otuado, Tamano, Mama Dortmund, our G2 to work interim, our Blasters. People raise the issue, say you can't be a national team coach and work for others. Argentina, the rest of the national teams there, they are doing it and people are not raising the same issue because we know, say. Blasters one year, you will cast a full-time coach. But you see me argument, for your other national teams, no.
I mean, I'm having Saturday. And sir, GF standard player contract no. But see a kaboom. Nanya me adma Saturday.
Mati say senior brother Kojo Adem.
Yeah.
That's $200. Okay, for the okay.
Was it minimum?
Football, yeah. More of international language, so but me not comfortable
with the dollars.
Yeah, quoting in dollars. No. Now reach $200. All the bag Ghana cedis is a little over about 2,000. It will be like 2,200. So they have fun.
So they have 2,000. Minimum they say.
I think say he's in my space. Me no. Ayajin. Say you see the standard contract buy football anymore. Not ye shaking clubs no. Say no move into your place no. Any can say a trouble from one. The starting point should be 2,000 for the elite league. You can say Division 1, Division 2. You can top tier. Your Premier League, we can set a certain lower standard for the Division 1 and for the. But we are looking today about your elite league, But Rich, you see, Matis and Kofoye argument say, a better day for the FA, say Omu ebe implement Sadiani because Omu Ankasampo as the father of the league, they failed their responsibility of league sponsorship, and yet the responsibility of the FA. In fact, see a car FA, I class in a FA, and the league sponsorship is the responsibility of all the members of the league. Medical confiada say, Rich, no company, and the before the seeker, say, or the best league in him because you have FA president and one FA. Oh, hey,
mother FA on your marketing department. So, omu timi nkope advertisement, omu timi nkope sponsor.
Rich, marketing department, what do they market?
The league.
So, image be no mokoton. It is what you do. Marketers are more fia. Debia na yo na Edna Bejina say refresh it na ebia beka ho no. You think it is just because marketers no kwa abontia na yatentam any their momo. They go and sell something to them. And your clients buy into it and say this is a good product. It will be sikabeshem. And to the fact that what marketing department and just say they should bring you sponsorship. At the end of marketing for your behavior, your job, the things you do. And to say Ayala Mubetina in Sharp Power Sports. Now Omu did Premier League in Nkomo. Now they are talking about hooliganism. Now they are talking about Obiakwa attacking referee. They are talking about bad officiating. They are talking about bad branding. Every league in him. They are talking about bad media coverage. Any sound of manana. That is what the marketers have to sell. They are no magicians, marketers. The fact that we are that is the reason why my mama was saying something I'm from at a point in Ghana, at the marketing awards, no almost yenya speak qualifying saying Mirafini a Japan, Jesse a Japan. He won Ghana Marketer of the Year. Tia Samana Mekani yo. Jesse a Japan won Marketer of the Year. Rich, he had a lot of relationship within the industry. Ye coercing with Alaji Jawula to form the Ghana Premier League board. So omuno mu manage your Premier League. And the reason why I did Jesse a Japan buyer was that year he was the marketer of the year, the whole of Ghana. Because our cotton is certain products.
And
the products, you know, participants in the product and within the product makes it difficult to sell. And come on,
of course. Nyami Aduma, some come in ye junior teams na ye coaches in the Ghana. Ye the best Nyami Aduma Saturday. Now ye beam sa standard contract and near any time say share breakdown now. Quaka insurance for our players in the day. We were players in the Bibuana, Mian even almost in the day crying. And to say 50% players and those from welfare no. Yamani here pa omoni PFG in international. On say players no. At least so Bobo Ghana han Hobertono. So Ichian Kaye Ichian Senate a Kobano said Bona Obona the name Kubu and now Kupra. In fact, insurance bit me taking care of him near day. Sanya Mani Nano, okay, kind. A document FND Babonchani now, Meneno. Yes, said that any but at the Benya Breno, when you say possibly Saturday, Ebena, Yerum, and so at me at the Amamkovi. Mincho and Yema, and so but I think it's good.
The only thing
standard contract for our players.
Which there are a lot of standard things. There are a lot of things in the constitution. There are a lot of laws. The most important thing is enforcement. Saturday baby for our goals. Standard. The law that is there. The most important thing is enforcement. Yeah, enforce. Yeah, it will be also
but
another.
Me sure say if you need the basana. Omaka say Jan trans ye Jino. And enforce him.
Na niema bebre na ohon ma ye enforce ye no ye club license den ya de na enforce ye. Omo so we be Jan tra. So what I'm saying is that nobody will say that, but we have to enforce.
Yeah, trying the effect.
And say enforce.
But say ye di ye adwuma no.
Ya fe na.
Honey here.
Ye ba be.
Mate.
Is about enforce.
Matuase ba. All right, nyame adma. Ye de be kwa Saturday so. Na ye di san komo ne pa ye.